everybody. I am not going to be on camera for this video because it is almost July in South Jersey and it is super hot and I am sweating. So I don't think everyone needs to see my face for this video. So this is my idea for a mid-summer planter. I went to Walmart and a lot of these plants are on sale right now, and I think I got some really good deals. A lot of these were marked down. So I'm going to start with 2 asparagus fern. Look at these, really nice, healthy, nice beautiful color. And I'm going to pair those right next to these sweet potato vine, which I think is such a beautiful combo there. And then I am also going to put a larkspur in the middle, and this is a perennial. So I'm planting this in a plastic container because I do have the idea that I'm going to leave this out probably late into the fall when it gets cold. So just in case it freezes, it's always good to have something that's not terracotta, because terracotta could crack if it freezes and expands. And then I'm also going to place this veronica in the middle. So I just like this color combination, sort of this purple lavender, the light green, and then also this kind of purple, almost eggplant color of the sweet potato vine. So the sweet potato vine is going to spill over the edge. These are going to be nice and tall, and the asparagus fern is going to kind of fill in the middle. So I kind of put them at an angle. So this one, see, it would be upright like that, but I want it to already start to fall over the side. So I put them in almost at a 45-degree angle so that they already kind of droop a little bit. There, breaks the edge of the pot. Beautiful together as they grow, and so this will need water and more water as it gets hotter and hotter this summer. I'm going to put this on my table in my backyard. I'm so happy with this. It's going to be so pretty for the rest of the summer here. Thanks for watching, everybody. Bye bye.